Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to stay active while working from home, getting in your steps during meetings, or just squeezing in a workout without hitting the gym, then you're going to love this video. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best walking pad treadmills you can buy right now. These compact and foldable treadmills are perfect for small spaces, apartments, or under your desk at work. We've compared performance, design, noise level, and of course, value for money to bring you the very best options available. Whether you're a casual walker, a remote worker, or someone looking to boost daily movement, there's something here for you. All the treadmills we mention in this video are linked down in the description, so make sure to check them out for the latest prices and availability. Let's dive in. 5. Urvo UR03. Achieve your fitness goals with ease using this versatile treadmill, thoughtfully designed to support every step of your journey. Every effort matters. Easily sync the treadmill with the Urvo Sport app to track your performance and generate detailed workout reports, ideal for both beginners and seasoned users. Exercise your way. Switch between open running mode, 0.6-6.2 miles per hour for high-intensity training, and folding walking mode, 0.6 to 4 miles per hour for low-impact exercise during work hours. The under-desk-friendly design includes a magnetic remote with a one-key mute function for quick, quiet adjustments. Joint protection, a spacious 15-inch by 40.1-inch belt, 5-layer anti-slip surface, 8 silicone shock absorbers, and 2 soft rubber pads work together to minimize joint stress, protecting your knees with every step. Multifunction display. Stay informed with real-time feedback on time, calories, steps, speed, and distance through the clear LED display. Space efficient. When your workout's done, fold the treadmill away in seconds, perfect for compact living spaces at home or in the office. Note, apply lubricant every 125 miles to maintain optimal performance. 4. Yagood ZF0301. Stay active throughout your day with our 2-in-1 treadmill, designed for walking, jogging, and running with adjustable speeds from 0 to 3.8 mph per hour, perfect for home or office use. The 5-layer non-slip running belt and silicone column support provide excellent shock absorption to protect your knees, muscles, and joints. Powered by a quiet yet robust 2.5 HP motor, it supports up to 265 pounds while operating under 45 dB, ensuring minimal disturbance to those around you. The LED display keeps track of your time, speed, distance, calories, and steps, while the included remote control makes speed adjustments effortless. Backed by a 1-year hassle-free warranty and 24-hour customer support, this treadmill is a smart, convenient solution for staying fit anytime. 3. Ono 3000 watt. The Ono Incline walking pad is an ideal fitness companion for home or office use, combining convenience with performance. Featuring an adjustable 8% incline that boosts fat burning by 45%, it simulates a realistic climbing experience with speeds ranging from 0.5 to 4.0 miles per hour. The 5-layer anti-slip rhombus running belt and 6 silicone shock absorbers ensure superior comfort and joint protection. Its compact wheel design makes it easy to move and store, perfect for small spaces. The LED display clearly shows speed, time, distance, and calories burned, while a remote control lets you adjust settings effortlessly. With 3 modes, working, walking, and running, this treadmill adapts to your fitness goals and daily routines with ease. 2. Sparax RM01. The Sparax multifunctional treadmill offers a versatile fitness solution tailored for modern lifestyles, seamlessly combining walking, under-desk running, and invigorating vibration modes. Equipped with a robust 2.5 HP servo motor, it delivers a quiet yet powerful performance with adjustable speeds from 0.2 to 3.8 mph per hour, supporting users up to 350 pounds, recommended 265 pounds, while keeping noise levels under 45 dB. The built-in LED display and Sparax Fitness app provide real-time tracking of calories, speed, time, and distance, empowering you to fine-tune your workouts with ease. After exercising, enjoy a rejuvenating 5-minute vibration massage with 4 customizable intensity levels to improve circulation, burn extra calories, and ease muscle tension. Compact and weighing just 27 pounds, this treadmill fits effortlessly under desks, beds, or sofas, making it a perfect addition to any home or office workout space. 1. Trail Viber X01. Elevate your home workouts with the Trail Viber 12% 9-level auto incline treadmill. designed to maximize efficiency and replicate real-life hiking with its true 6-degree incline. Unlike traditional walking pads, this treadmill allows you to burn up to 3 times more calories with its automatic incline adjustment, perfect for indoor training, rain or shine. Built with a heavy-duty structure that supports up to 450 pounds and powered by a silent yet powerful 2.5 HP motor, it ensures smooth and stable performance every time. The triple cushion design with advanced shock absorption protects your knees, while the built-in Bluetooth speaker adds energy to every session. Stay informed and motivated with a vibrant RGB LED screen that tracks speed, time, distance, incline, and calories. Compact and portable, it fits easily under desks and furniture, making it ideal for small spaces. Backed by 24/7 customer service, this treadmill is your ultimate fitness companion at home or in the office. Thanks for watching our breakdown of the top 5 best walking pad treadmills. Whether you're looking to stay active while working from home or just want a compact way to keep moving, there's something here for everyone. If you saw a treadmill you liked, all the products are conveniently listed in the description below, so be sure to check them out for the latest prices and deals. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more reviews like this, and let us know in the comments which walking pad you're leaning toward. Stay active, and see you in the next video.